guys, and welcome to the Entrepreneur Channel. I'm Tracy Smith.
And I'm Elena Bolin.
And if you're new here, the Entrepreneur Channel is all about building an online business, creating a life that you love, and balancing both.
And on this episode of EG, we're going to be really covering where you've been, who in the world I am, and what you can be expecting from us, so make sure that you stay tuned.
So a lot of you have been messaging me and you've been wondering where I've been, and thank you so much for checking up on me. I love you guys.
Yeah.
And I have a lot of explaining to do. So here is what happened in a nutshell. You know that in November we relaunched our entrepreneurgirl.net website, and everything just kind of like after that it exploded.
It got huge.
Huge. We are now in 20 countries, you guys. Entrepreneur Girl is international.
That's awesome. And then we also went from being 4 members strong, you and a couple of other virtual assistants, and now we have 6. So that's the additional of 2 physical people, including me and another gal. So
yeah, so Penny is joining our crew. You can see all of their pictures on Entrepreneur Girl About page. Elena is physical, like I'm sitting by her. You're seeing her right now. And Penny is also physical, plus we have 4 other virtual assistants, which their pictures are on the website. So we have 6 employees, 20 countries, a brand new relaunched website, and a lot of behind the scene footage.
Yes.
That we'll just go ahead and show you right now.
yeah.
Okay, so as you can see, like, wow, we have been super busy. Things got crazy. We have a lot of new services, a lot of new countries, and it was just really busy around here, and we had to kind of catch up and catch our breath and redo the whole business model. So we are glad to be back. You're going to be seeing Elena a lot.
A lot. Including the next video, which I'll be going over the 5 ways that you can step into the business world for those new business people.
Yes, and as you can tell, Elena's college age, and so she's really going to be hitting that niche of, you know, the college crowd. So if you are a younger entrepreneur, check her out. She's going to have her own playlist, and she's going to be bringing a lot of great content. So what are we going to be covering in April?
So we'll be covering how you can work from home, which is
Everyone
likes that. Everyone likes that. Yeah.
You don't have to work 9 to 5. You don't have to drive in your car and spend an hour in a commute to and from. You really can
Just
work
sit
from
in
home.
bed
Sit in
and
bed.
work from home and
Computer,
make money.
travel.
Real money. Yeah.
Real money. Like, this is legitimate ways, not scammy ways. Like, you really can work from home, stay home with your kids, stay home with your aging parents, stay home with your health condition, go to college. Like, we're real people, and we're really doing this. And we're gonna bring it to you. Every month we have a theme, and the theme for April is working from home. And we're gonna be showing you, Lena has her video.
Yep.
I'm gonna be posting my video on over 60 ways. 60.
That's a lot.
60.
Yeah.
Like, only in this century, right? Can you have over 60 ways?
And that's really going to be mostly online too.
Yes, mostly
Which
online,
is
because
fantastic.
that's where we live.
That's a new thing.
That's our thing. So we want to be able to work from home. We want to create a life that you love, and then we want to balance both.
So just like we revamped the website, we're also going to be now focusing on you guys and revamping YouTube. So make sure that you subscribe right now so that you never miss our future content, because we're going to be bringing you guys quality stuff.
Yes, we hit the website, we hit international, now we're hitting YouTube, and we really want to take it from beginner to expert, step by step. Everything you need, guys, in one place with us. So it's not gonna be my face always anymore. I love you guys. I'm really excited to be hitting all of the entrepreneur girls out there with some, what are you?
Different age range. I'm a millennial.
Millennials.
Yes. Go millennials.
And then myself, you know, like the stay-at-home parent, and then Penny, you know, hits that other demographic of like, you know, once your kids have left the nest, newly retired. So we're covering all of you guys with this new YouTube channel. So what do they need to do to make sure they don't miss any videos?
So you need to subscribe, and then after you subscribe, you also need to hit the notification bell. And this is really a balance between you and I, because in order for us to create quality content, we need to know what you guys want to see. So make sure you comment what you need to know, what tips you want, and etc. from the videos
down below.
Really so make sure you comment so we can bring you the quality content that you want.
And don't forget to thumbs up. Let us know that you're glad that we're back. Just a little thumbs up hug out there. And also so other people can find the videos. So that's important. Comments, so we know what you want to see. And I don't even know what I'm saying now. Yeah, that.
Also, make sure that you share this video with anyone that you think would actually enjoy this video or the content that we bring you guys. Do you know someone who wants to be an entrepreneur but just doesn't know how? And make sure that you share our channel with them so they can have the same steps that you're taking. Right,
because we really are going to be taking an ordinary person and making them an extraordinary entrepreneur. So I'm graduated UF with a business degree, and Elena's going to UF. So yeah, Gator Chomp. That's happening right now.
Gator Nation.
Woo, go get it.
There you go. And back on the topic of YouTube, we are going to be posting 2 videos a week. So make sure that you, once again, subscribe so you never miss those videos.
Guys, I've missed you. It's really good to be back. Thank you for your love and support. And now I just really want to pay it forward and show you how to work from home, how to increase your business if you're already working from home, and we're going to be covering just about every way there is to do that. So I know I have a lot of e-commerce peeps in the house, and we are going to continue with the same e-commerce type of content, but if you want to grow your business, we're going to be including a lot of diversification, automation, and passive income so that you can increase that monthly income and just really live your life.
Yeah.
Live your dreams.
Because really our purpose is just to help you. So we're trying to do that in the best way that we can.
Yeah. So love you guys, and we will see you tomorrow with Elena's video. Woo woo.
Bye. See you guys then.
Bye.